Model, 2015 Ford Transit 310 Mark 889 km engine knocking needs spares repair No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 89,908. MOT, the 10th of September 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features.